Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a cute DIY last minute Christmas gift keepsake that you can make for your kids, grandparents, aunties, or uncles, or any last minute friends that you may have forgotten. If you want to see how to make these cute little easy DIY keepsakes, then keep on watching. So we're going to be making these super cute snow globe ornaments. These make the perfect last minute Christmas gifts and keepsakes. To make these cute little snow globe ornaments, you are going to need a picture of your kiddos, scissors, laminated paper, laminating machine, glue gun or tape, ribbon, glitter, construction paper, and a hole punch. First, you're going to click the link down below in the description box and you are going to print out the template. You're going to go ahead and cut that template out. Then you're going to use the base of the snow globe and you're going to trace that onto black construction paper. Put the circle to the side because we're going to be using that later on. Now you're going to want to print out some pictures of your children. I use Canva to do my pictures, but if you don't have Canva, just take a regular picture and cut around the silhouette of your child. So now you're going to take your laminated paper, we're going to open it up and we're going to use that circle template and trace onto our laminated paper. Next, we're going to cut out the base of our snow globes and our pictures. You want to make sure you go over your lines really well if you're using a pencil like I am, or make sure you use something that you're going to be able to see once you laminate this, because you want to be able to see the circle that you put down. So next you're going to take your picture and place them on top of the circles on your laminated paper. At this time, you can go ahead and grab your glitter. I am going to be using these nail art butterflies. If you are going to be cutting out silhouettes of your children, you can go ahead and use some white acrylic paint to create some snow and add some glitter to it. Just wait for it to dry before you put it in the laminated machine. So now we're going to carefully fold over our laminate paper and insert our laminating paper into our laminating machine. Now you want to make sure that you are inserting the closed edge of the laminated paper. You don't want to try to insert the open-ended portion of the laminated paper. So now we're going to go ahead and cut out our snow globes, and then you're going to take your hole punch and create a hole at the top of your snow globe. I was struggling with this first hole punch, so I just went ahead and used my 3-ring binder hole punch. And then you're going to take some tape or some glue stick. I'm using double-sided tape to adhere the base of the snow globe. Now you're going to go ahead and cut some ribbon and string it through your snow globes and make a knot. So to create the decorative bow, I took about 1 to 2 inches of ribbon and then a small piece of double-sided tape. I stuck it to the back of the ribbon, and then I took each end of the ribbon and folded it over to create the bow. Next, I'm just going to take a small piece of double-sided tape to stick on the decorative bow. I hope you guys enjoyed this last-minute DIY Christmas gift idea. I did not create this template, so all the links will be down in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is such a fun, cute DIY, and you can make this a tradition and do this every year with your kiddos. It's such a great keepsake. I love you guys, and I hope you have a Merry, Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.